Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to 564, my Christmas special. Today's a little bit different. We're not having a tutorial, we're not having a project. We're going to have a little bit of a review of the year. I don't know about you, but this year hasn't always been kind to me. I've had ups and downs, I've had to take the rough with the smooth, and the one thing that's got me through it is being able to craft. I love crafting, and I know you do. I like card making, scrapbooking, paper crafting, paper folding, anything to do with paper stroking, and anything I can get my hands on, I like to just create. We've had so many gorgeous projects this year, and I always say to you, please check my blog because they're all on there. So I thought it would be great to have a little review of all the projects that we've created throughout the year. We've had so many Anna Griffin projects, we've had so many Fab Scraps projects, and it would just be nice to have a little reminder of what we have created. Now, if you don't like flashing images, I suggest you look away just for a couple of minutes. And for everybody else, here's a little reminder of the projects that we've created. Wow, that's a lot of projects on there. Now, before we go any further, I just want to sort of say thank you to you because without you I wouldn't keep going, because I know you enjoy the project so much, and it's great to have your enthusiasm to spur me on basically. And because you enjoy them, I enjoy creating them, I enjoy showing you different things, and it's just nice. So I want to say thank you for staying with me throughout the year, and hopefully next year will be equally as creative, if not more. I know there's a few things planned for next year for me, and I think they're quite exciting, so hopefully I'll be able to share those with you at some point later in the year. Not immediately, but at some point, things will happen that are amazing. I'm sure 2020 is going to be a great year for all of us. Now, creating the projects doesn't always run smoothly. Not everything is done in one take, and I wish it was, but you know what? I'm human, and I thought you might like to see just a couple of incidences where things don't go as planned. So that's a big woohoo, ding dong. This project is Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie, and I'd like to say thank you for watching what you've created. Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie, and I'd just like to say welcome to this but there's lots of photographs all the time of both inside and outside of the projects and the cards that we make, so just have a little look. You can always find me on Instagram. You can ding dong. Come on, Anne-Marie. You can do this. You got this. Let's get on with crafting. You can also find me on Twitter and on Instagram, which is my favourite pastime, where I can lose time because I love looking at your creations. And I know you're all wondering what I'm laughing at. It's because I've just recorded this, and I think there might be a blooper for our Christmas gag reel in it, and I'm still thinking about it. So, sorry, I know my friend Carla will find that funny. So, you never know, you might have to hold on to your hats at Christmas if we have a gag reel, and cover your ears in case I swear. Which, obviously, I would never do that. I'll try and bleep it out. Oh, dear me. Another one for the gag reel now. Got to do it one more time. Meow, meow, meow. But I don't know any jokes or anything silly. Well, I do know some jokes, but I can't repeat them. And for all you new viewers, yeah, I am totally stark raving bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Bonkers, bonkers, bonkers. Ding dong. So there you go, you see. Things don't always run so great for me either. And there's just one thing for me to say. Thank you for watching throughout the year. 2020 is going to be a very creative year. We're going to have a great creative journey. And I want to wish you and yours, from me and mine, a very happy Christmas and a very prosperous new year. I wish you love, luck and prosperity through all of 2020. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next year.